A short circuit can turn an ordinary electrical supply into a dangerous heat source. Normally, the load limits current and converts electrical energy into useful light, motion, or heat. A short circuit creates a very low resistance path, allowing current to bypass the intended load. Ohm's law predicts a surge. Wire and source resistance limit it, but current can still be enormous. High current produces intense heating, which can melt insulation, damage cells, and ignite nearby material. The supply voltage may collapse, sparks may form, and connected electronic components can be destroyed. A correctly rated fuse or circuit breaker disconnects the supply before the wiring becomes dangerously hot. Remember, low resistance causes high current, rapid heating, damage, and the need for immediate protection.